this is gonna make some deep fried banana. Now, we've got 3 kinds of banana here in front of you guys. We have the normal plantain, the puny little normal banana, and then we got this big Hawaiian plantain. Wow, these things smells good. Golden brown. Can I have it now? Is it for my birthday?
Okay.
Fried banana plantain. Let's try this. Homemade. Wow, it's so much better than the restaurant one. I find the restaurant one, they always don't fry them long enough and they use plantain that's not ripe. This is ripe, been fried long enough. It's like candy.
Really sweet, it's really good. Nice and crunchy too, simple to make.
Just 2 bananas. That's what it does. We're never buying this from the restaurant again.
Let's do the Hawaiian plantain now.
Wow, look at this banana.
It's Hawaiian.
We've never had this before.
Yeah, instead of going to Hawaii, let's just do this. It's cheaper.
It's a lot of banana to fry.
Yeah.
Just 2 of them. Let's try this Hawaiian plantain. Wow, the sugar really came out of this. This is good, but truthfully, any banana will do. Same result with this banana.
Or this one too.
That banana.
Yeah, anything cheap. Just buy whatever is on sale.
But it's worth trying. If you like candy, all this black around the banana, that is sugar. So, do you know how many times I had this when I was little? None. What about you? Ineffable?
It's so good. So yummy, yummy. Very sweet, that's what I would say. It's not very sweet.
Try the melted pieces.
No, it's still very delicious, but it is good. So I must go and exercise now.
Well, you know something, ineffable goddess? Between this and cake, I would pick this.
You're saying my cakes are not good? Is that what you're saying?
I have no cake to choose off from today, so I would pick this. Oh my goddess, this is so good. It's absolutely the best. What a recipe.